Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Cardano Ada. What's the price change goes in Cardano, what's the high price of Cardano, and what's the currently status of Cardano in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this brand video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Cardano Ada, because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. As you can see now on the screen friends, that is live price predictions occur in the last one day in Cardano Ada. As you can see here friends, that's the last one day price prediction. If we look, the average change occur in a Cardano is about positive 3.02% change occur in the Cardano in the last one day, and the high price of Cardano is about $1.23 is the high price of Cardano. If we look the change occur, if we look the price chart of the Cardano Ada, so absolutely it goes up. As you can see here, goes up very fastly, goes up. If we look the currently situation, the currently status of Cardano Ada, so they are also in the moving upward. And now currently at this time the price of Cardano is about $1.22 per dollar is the high price of Cardano at this time friends. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's change occur in the Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. Let's see. As you can see here, absolutely good change occur. Cardano is my favorite coin. What's your opinion, as that's a favorite coin of you? And as you can see here, why they are my favorite coin, because they also in positive. I found Cardano Ada every time positive. As you can see here, the change is positive 0.19% change occur in the Cardano Ada, and the high price is same $1.22 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. And that's a live price prediction of it this time, the last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now friends. If we look the currently at this time status of Cardano Ada, so it's absolutely, it's also an explosion at this time, this start explosion. So what's your opinion about Cardano Ada? Maybe it goes upward in the future. If you are a holder of Cardano Ada, so please subscribe my channel and also press the like button, because I will update you every news from Cardano Ada. Don't forget to subscribe. And my suggestion for all of Cardano holders, that if you want to make money with the Cardano high, so please hold your coin with the last half this month, because the big explosion coming soon, so wait for it. And what's your opinion about Cardano? Please share in the comment box. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.